In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most useful tools that we have available to us in Mac OS X, and that tool is called Spotlight. If you look in your menu bar, on the right side of the menu bar to be specific, you're going to see an icon that looks like a magnifying glass. If you click on this magnifying glass, that will open up Spotlight. As you can see, there's a flashing cursor waiting for us to go ahead and type in what it is that we're looking for. And Spotlight will help us find documents and apps and a variety of other things. So if I typed in Keynote, it will help me find my Keynote application. It will help me find documents, folders, presentations, and a variety of other things that are listed in the Spotlight search. You'll also note too, as I hover over top of the items, it will actually give me a preview of what it looks like. So a wide variety of options already. And if I wanted to go ahead and select any of these results, I just simply go ahead and click on it. For instance, if I click on Keynote, and Keynote will open up for me. And as you can see, there's a Keynote. I'm going to go ahead and close my Keynote at this point. And I'm going to go ahead and open up Spotlight once again by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of my screen in the menu bar area. And as you can see, when I open up Spotlight, my last search is still in the Spotlight field. If I want to go ahead and enter a new search, I can simply go ahead and click on the X, which will go ahead and empty out my search in Spotlight. Spotlight can also be used for a variety of other reasons as well, such as a calculator. If I enter in 9 plus 5, it will show me the results. Again, 9 plus 5 is 14. In addition, Spotlight can also be used to provide you with some definitions. So if I go ahead and type in the word Apple, you can see further on down the list where it says lookup, there's Apple. If I hover over top of it, it's going to provide me with a definition, as you can see. Furthermore, I want to draw your attention to the top of the actual Spotlight window where it says Show All in Finder. What this is basically saying is that there's more results than what is being shown. So if I go ahead and click on Show All in Finder, it will show me everything related to Apple in the Finder. Which brings me to another point. We talked about accessing Spotlight by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. But if you open up the Finder app, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to go ahead and close this window to show you. Simply go to the Finder app, which is in the left side of the dock. Go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, there's a magnifying glass again, and this will allow you to find applications and documents and a variety of other things as well. So I've showed you a variety of ways to open up Spotlight and a few ways to use this wonderful tool. But before I end this video, let me share with you the way that I most commonly bring up Spotlight. It's not by opening Finder, and it's not by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of my screen. It's by using a keyboard shortcut. If you press Command and the spacebar together, Spotlight will open up. So once again, Command and spacebar will open or close Spotlight. As you can see on my screen, all I'm doing is pressing Command and spacebar. Again, Spotlight is a wonderful tool that can make things a lot easier for you when you're trying to search for a particular file or application or a variety of other items on your Mac.